Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. A lot of work and research is being done on the miniaturization of biosensors. If you can make this possible, there are a lot of advantages of it, especially the on-site analysis is possible. So there is growing tendency towards this miniaturization of biosensors, and there are certain advantages to it. For example, this can allow handling of low volume samples. It can lead to reduction in the reagent consumption and waste generation as well as it can also increase the sample throughput. So you can see here बहुत सारे इसके advantage हो सकते हैं if you can miniaturize the biosensors. So many biosensors and ideas about biosensors have been put forward to miniaturize them, and this will not only have certain advantages, but it will also become inexpensive and will become easy to handle as well. So particular significance of miniaturization of biosensors is for medical applications, where sometimes some biosensor needs to be implanted as a sensor, and live real-time results are needed to be obtained in vivo. So इस केस में अगर कोई ऐसा बायोसेंसर है जिसको इम्प्लांट करना है पेशेंट में और इन विवो हमें लाइव रियल टाइम रिजल्ट चाहिए, तो इस केस में ऑब्वियसली the miniature form of biosensor is ideal. Now this decreasing of size of biosensors and miniaturization of biosensors is not as such required for environmental samples and environmental monitoring purposes. However, if it can be done, it will still be of much benefit. Why so? Because this will save us time. It will give us chance to get on-site results. It will become portable, it will become easy to handle as well, and the quantity of the sample size required will decrease as well. So there are still benefits attached to the miniaturization of even environmental biosensors. Now there are certain requirements which are there in miniaturizing the biosensors, and there are certain adaptations which are being made. This trend involves the adaptation of microfabrication and nanofabrication techniques as well. क्योंकि हमें उसका size बहुत कम करना है, so we have to use the techniques which can allow us do the work at nanoscale or microscale. In addition, the practical application of any biosensor requires the use of complete analysis of so many other things and systems, such as the systems for sample handling, such as pumps, filters, membranes and sample conditioning. तो sample handling के भी जितने प्रोसेस इन्वॉल्व हैं टू ऑपरेट बायोसेंसर्स, उनको भी मिनिएचराइज करना पड़ेगा, तो ही कंप्लीट सेंस में आपका बायोसेंसर जो है वो मिनिएचर फॉर्म में आएगा. So all these things needs to be considered as well when we aim to miniaturize some biosensor, and there are so many advantages linked with the miniaturization of biosensor. A lot of research is being done to make it possible, and so many different miniaturized biosensors are already available as well. We'll talk more about biosensors in our next lessons.